Well, the sky is the limit for some Holt High School students as they pursue their passion for flight right in the classrooms using real drones. Darrylin Horne is here for you now with a look at how the school's new aviation courses are propelling students toward their dreams.
Working on planes, I was like, oh, that's what I want to do. I've always been fascinated with mechanics and stuff, so.
Students like Peyton Chamberlain are getting their lessons in the air. Thanks to Holt High's aviation program, the school offers 2 courses. We visited the class, Introduction to Drones. I also got a lesson today as well. It puts students on a path to becoming commercial drone pilots. The second course prepares them for a written exam to get their pilot's license. Chamberlain says this will help her land her dream job as a plane mechanic.
My parents have gotten mad at me because I won't stop talking about it. I think I'm going to go to a community college for training and becoming a mechanic for planes, so this is definitely helping me a lot with that.
The district has partnered with Lansing Community College and Western Michigan University, which has one of the best aviation programs in the country. Alex Fan plans to use her experience to build planes from the ground up.
I feel very happy that I get to have this opportunity because maybe if I went to a different school, I wouldn't have the opportunity to learn as early. And I know flight schools are pretty expensive, so we're learning pretty much the basics here for free.
And right now, there is a huge shortage of pilots all around the world, a number that could reach 30,000 by the year 2025. Programs like these can help fill that gap.
And then to have an elective like this in high school, it's really engaging for them. They start to see the purpose to how their high school experience relates to their post-secondary goals.
Whether it's a job as a pilot, mechanic, or a technician, the transition will be a smooth landing for these students.
As a bonus, we get to fly drones.
Here for you in Holt, Darrylin Horne, 6 News.